guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are all doing okay. So today I'm here because I want to share with you some tips on how to take care of your mask. So I know that many people, they are using a mask that is washable. I'm going to show you one of those masks. So we have these kinds of masks, all this. So we have a lot of them. Please just make sure that you let us know your choice. Thank you so much. So stay connected because I'm going to show you step by step on how to take care of your mask. Thank you. Hey guys, so as you can see, I have my mask on. I just want to show you the first step when you come back from outside. If you're wearing your mask, you have to remove it. And it's very important to remove it properly because we don't have to touch our face with like everything that we've been touching. So it's very important that we remove our mask from the elastic at the back. We have just to touch it like this and we remove it like this. Remove your mask. Make sure that you have a proper place where you have to place it if you don't have to wash it right away. So for example, if you have a plastic bag at home, you make sure that you place it into that plastic bag or any bag. So you place it like this and you put it in your laundry. Make sure you don't mix it with other things. But if you have time, you can go right away and start washing it. That's what you're gonna do, so I can show you how to wash it. Okay guys, so we have our mask already here and we are here to wash it. Today I'm gonna wash with my hands. So as you can see, I do have I'm gonna place my mask in this thing. So we're gonna have to choose if you wash it with the liquid soap or the hard soap. So it depends on which kind of soap that you may have at your place. And I'm gonna use the water. So I prefer to wash it with the warm water. And then I'm gonna do the hand washing. So we make sure that we have the warm water. So you may leave it for maybe 2 minutes or 1 minute, and then after that you can go ahead and start washing it. So wash it like this. If you want, you can add more soap now. Here, I know this soap is very strong because of the acid. So if you're gonna wash it by hand, I recommend that you wash it with the hard soap. But it's okay for today, okay? Good. I think our mask is now ready. So you may hang it out like this and you place it somewhere outside, or it may depend. But if you have your dryer, you can put it in the dryer and then it will be okay with that. Okay guys, so we have our mask already. We're gonna have to, now the second step, we have to iron it. Okay, so since you didn't have maybe a dryer, you can just leave it on a hanger and then you will take it out maybe in the morning or even depending on the time that you may have. So now it is time to iron. So we have our glass here. Like that. We're gonna have to iron it. Very important, we have all the lines you. So now let's assume we are ready to go to work, go to somewhere. So we have just to put our mask on. So good. We are good to go. I'm ready, I'm safe, I'm clean. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We are at the end of the video and I want again to thank you all for your love and support. Remember, if you don't have your washable mask, don't be afraid, we have them. Just make your order, find the information below and we'll make one for you. Thank you so much. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.